How to use Kraken for beginners. Quick and easy tutorial. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a tutorial on how to use Kraken.com as a complete beginner to buy and sell crypto. So let's get started. First, what you guys need to do is you will open up Kraken.com and you will land on this platform right here. Kraken.com is a crypto platform that allows you to buy, sell, trade crypto, and we will also be able to find different funding options. We have earn option available. Today I am giving you a beginner's tutorial on how to get started with Kraken and what are the different options available. First of all, once you get to Kraken.com, you will require an account. You can sign up with your email address really easily, or you can use your Google account as well. Once you have signed into your Kraken, this is where you will get, this is the main dashboard that we have. On our dashboard, we have the trade option, prices, earn, funding, history, support, and buy crypto. Then we have our available balance given. We have this menu right here. Click on it and it will take you to some of the, blogs and other stuff. And then we have this account where I have my default currency. We have sign out, get verified, and more. First of all, let's actually check out the main option we get on our Kraken, which is to buy or sell crypto. You can see we have buy option, sell and convert. This is the available balance. Let's buy crypto. Click on buy and you have to get verified. So just click on verify. And then you will have to enter some of the details right here and you will be verified. So let me actually do that really quickly. Once you're done with the verification, then you will be able to buy crypto, sell or convert. And then you can move on to the trading. This is the trading right here. Let me show you the marketplace. On Kraken, we have all of the trading pair available. We have prices, we have a volume given, and all of the different pairs. Like any pair that you can think of, it's available on Kraken. It has a huge marketplace. Before we continue the video, I just want to clarify that this video is not a financial advice and I'm not a financial advisor. Trading in crypto, buying and selling crypto involves a high degree of risk whether you prefer to lose money or not. So make sure that you truly understand crypto and then you can get started with Kraken. This is a beginner's tutorial for the platform Kraken.com. If you understand everything and you are looking for a platform, then I'm here to actually show you all of the options available. That being said, let's continue. So when you are using Kraken for trading, you will open up the trade and then you will go to the marketplace right here. I'm gonna select one of these. Let's go with BTC and USDT, which is a very famous pair. So you can see we are getting the last price right here, index price, 24-hour high, weighted average, 24-hour low for the pair that we have selected. You can of course select first your main pair, for example, if you're looking for USD, BTC, USDT, and others. So we have all of the pairs available. Click on more and it will give you the currency as well, or different coins such as Ethereum. We have CAD, we have DAI, DOT. So all of them are available. Once you're done, you will select it from here and it will actually show you your new order, your order history, your position, your order book too. But it depends if you have any history or not. If you have not bought anything yet, then it will be empty. Then we have the prices on Kraken, which is one of the most unique and famous feature of Kraken right here. So on Kraken, you can see we have our marketplace, and what we can do is we can select the trade option from here. You will also be able to check the different graphs on Kraken. So this is how the graph looks, the chart that we get. So I have selected Bitcoin. This is the price at the time of making this video and it's in euro right here. You can select your currency. Let's actually go with USD. Okay, so you can see this is the price of Bitcoin at the time of making this video in USD. The percentage is minus 0.243%, 24-hour high, 24-hour low. And we have our graph. So the graph is actually really easy. It's not like a depth chart that we get right here on Kraken, or it's not a trading view, but it's the price for the Bitcoin that we have. And you can see we have USD again and Bitcoin. It's a comparison. If you want to convert your Bitcoin into USD, then this is where it will be. Let's say I have 2 Bitcoins, then it will be $37,000. Moving on, we have some of the information about the coin that we have. You can select any of the top market cap or biggest gains right here, and you will be able to check their live prices with Kraken. So it's actually a really good platform to keep track of the coin that you have. Rank is actually number one for the Bitcoin right now, market cap, price change, and then we have circulating supply. So this is how you check the price. Let me give you another example for this. Let's go with Ethereum. And here we have Ethereum. It is at the time of making this video 1200 euros. Then we have the graph right here. The highest it went to, it kind of like went to 1300 as well, but now it's actually pretty low. Again, I am not actually suggesting you any of the coins or any of the peers. I'm just giving you a guide on how to use Kraken. So this is how you will check the pricing. You can also check the biggest gains and biggest tips right here. Different stocks and different levels are available on Kraken as well. And you will be surprised to know that Kraken also has NFTs. So you can just switch to the NFT marketplace for Kraken and you can sign up to actually mint your NFTs on Kraken. So this is actually pretty good. A very professional NFT marketplace is available with a lot of creators and with a lot of different NFT collections. So we have covered trade prices. Let's switch to earn option right here on Kraken. So we have staking right here, and then we have purchases. So right here, we will be able to receive weekly or bi-weekly rewards depending on the staked assets. So the staking is available on Kraken. And then we have funding. So for funding, what will happen is we can actually add our funding limits, and we will be able to check it right here. So if you have ever added some funds to the market in USD, in euros, you will be able to find them right here in your account balance. Keep in mind the available balance is given right here. To deposit the funds, what you can do is you can add the funds from this funding option, or you can just click on buy crypto and you will be able to do so. On Kraken, verification is actually an important part. And what happens is that you have to get verified in order to buy and sell. Now, this is actually a trading window for Kraken that I have opened up. This is for BTC and USDT. So if you want to trade, this is what it will look like. We have a dual window available for the comparison of both of the coins that we have selected. We have our order book right here. Then we have our trading, where we will be able to select the action if you want to buy and sell. We have type, leverage, funds, quantity, price, total, order, advance. If you scroll down, you will be able to get the more options. In trading window right here, you can select your time first. You can expand the view as well, but for the purpose of the video, I'm just going to keep it to the minimum size. Then we have all of the different tools available, text and scales, in order to actually mark different, values right here on our Kraken trading chart. So you can see right here, this is how it works on Kraken. A very good platform with all of the different options available. So this is the trading view for Kraken. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.